Hello guys, this is Harshang Salvi, your host, and welcome back to TechnoBlend. Today we are going to talk about the gaming beast smartphone, which is Asus ROG Phone 5. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel or new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe. I will bring you latest technology videos before anyone else. Let's start with the video. Asus have finally launched its new smartphone in the Asus ROG series. They have entirely skipped one generation from this smartphone series. They have brought Asus ROG Phone 5 after Asus ROG Phone 3. They say that the Asus ROG Phone 5 is totally futuristic, and so they have skipped one generation from this smartphone. I'm very much excited about this smartphone, and Asus has also made very big promises about this smartphone. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the performance factor of this smartphone. Talking about the processor part of Asus ROG Phone 5, as I always say, the processor is the important element of any smartphone if you want to run it for long run. The Asus ROG Phone 5 is coming up with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G processor. It is the leading processor in the Qualcomm. There is no other best processor Asus could have provided you with. The gamers, the fun is going to be into 200. What I can say is because this processor is going to provide you with 35% of more speed compared to any other processor. They have also provided a new performance manager and with a new crate, which is X mode in this smartphone, which will help you to easily convert your gaming modes and gaming profile and easily access the profile which you want while playing the game. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the display part of about this smartphone. Please stay tuned. There are many more surprises Asus has brought for you. Talking about the display part of Asus ROG Phone 5, the Asus ROG Phone 5 is coming up with Samsung built Super AMOLED display, and for the gamers the display is going to provide you with 144 Hz of refresh rate and 300 Hz of touch sampling rate, which means that for your every touch on the display you will get a 300 times faster response. They have also provided an HDR technology in this display, which will improve your color accuracy, and it will also improve your non-HDR images or videos. They have also launched an always on HDR mode, which will make your video or photos slightly look better if they are non-HDR also. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the camera part of this smartphone. Talking about the camera part of Asus ROG Phone 5, the Asus ROG Phone 5 is coming up with triple camera setup on the back side, which is coming up with flagship level Sony IMX 686 of 64 megapixel of wide angle main camera with 13 megapixel of ultra wide camera and macro camera as well. On the front side, the camera comes with 24 megapixel, which is going to give you great images of your group selfies and also for live streaming videos. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the battery part of Asus ROG Phone 5. Talking about such a monster smartphone, the battery is the most important factor. The Asus ROG Phone 5 is coming up with 6000 mAh of battery along with a 65 volt of hypercharge adapter. The Asus has provided a dual battery design for Asus ROG Phone 5, which means the 6000 mAh battery has been divided in two parts, which is 3000 mAh and 3000 mAh with PCB in the center to keep the hotspot area away from the grip of the gamers. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about some additional features about this smartphone. Talking about some additional features about Asus ROG Phone 5, it comes with dual stereo speaker, and Asus have also brought in the 3.5mm headphone jack back in this smartphone. The Asus ROG Phone 5 comes with Aeroactive Cooler 5 technology, which cools your surface down up to 15 degrees Celsius, and they have also included and two physical extra buttons on this cooler. It also comes with motion control, which gives you a 10 gestures motion control, which depends on which game you are playing, and you can modify them and your gestures according to the game. And it also comes with ultrasonic sensor, which is the most loved part by the gamers of Asus ROG Phone 5. The Asus ROG Phone 5 runs on Android 11 as well. Let's move ahead and talk about the variant part of Asus ROG Phone 5. Talking about the variants provided, the Asus ROG phone comes in two models basically, which is Asus ROG Phone 5 and Asus ROG Phone 5 Ultimate. There is one difference in both these models, which is the Asus ROG Phone 5 comes with a small animated animation screen on the back panel of the phone, which gives you a 6 different system animations for all the activity you do in the phone. These are all 6 animations you will get in the ROG Phone 5 Ultimate. Let's move ahead and talk about the colors provided in ROG Phone 5. Talking about the colors provided in ROG phone, I said it because you might be confused that ROG phone comes in black only, but this time the ROG Phone 5 also comes in white color as well. So you will get two colors in ROG Phone 5, which is white and black color. This is all about today's video. What do you think about Asus ROG Phone 5? Please mention below down in the comment box and tell me whether it is the futuristic smartphone or not. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel or new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Technoblend. I will bring you latest technology videos before anyone else. Till then, tata, bye bye.